Hello and welcome back again. So at midnight I am a little bit hungry, so it's about 2 p.m. So I'm going to find some food near riverside. So let's see. Here I find a shop that is selling noodles. I just order fried noodles with vegetables and egg. So you can see how she cooking. This is at midnight, like 2:33 p.m. So here you can see she is cooking. So if you are hungry at night, some of the shop are open like all night near riverside and some other place, popular tourist place. So you will find food all over the night, but mostly local Cambodian, but everyone eat noodles, so this is not any problem. If you are living in Cambodia or staying in Cambodia or traveling in Cambodia, so if you are hungry at night, you can explore street food at midnight. I recommend. So don't just sleep if you are traveling, especially. So you can enjoy street food and other scenario at night. So my food is ready, so I pay 10,000 real, that means $2.5. So this is really cheap. Now I am taking the food and going to my room. After in my room I will eat the food. So you can see I am using tuk-tuk at midnight, and now I am going home. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and more related street food and traveling video in Southeast Asia, especially in Cambodia, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just give a subscribe, that will support this channel. So that's it for now. I'll see you in next video. Have a good day, everyone.